okay there. So I'm sitting in my car in the Target parking lot, and I thought I'd share a little story with you. Just a couple weeks ago, my husband and I, the owner of Laffman Hot Rod Garage, traded in my awesome 4Runner for a new vehicle. We traded into Bigler Motors, by the way. Awesome establishment. If you're looking for a car, go see Big. Anyway, we traded it in for a Chrysler Aspen. And most people are unfamiliar with what a Chrysler Aspen is. It's not as common of a car that you see around the road. Well, I'm going to show you really quick, and I'm going to see if you catch on to something. Okay, hold on. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is Chrysler Aspen. Okay, so nice car. In fact, I love it. But did you notice, we've had the car about 2 weeks. Did you notice there's a lift and 33s and new tires already on it? Now, granted, it looks great. I love it. And since we live on dirt roads, it works really well for me. But I had to show you to prove my point. If you saw my first video, always budget, ladies. Lift kit and tires. It ain't no joke.